Hello guys, I am finally back after a hectic week. I know I wasn't active on YouTube, but honestly, I am still figuring out how to manage everything with college. Life has suddenly become so packed that I barely get time to even sit and study. Here's how my days are going right now, and if you're wondering कि मुझे time क्यों नहीं मिल रहा, then listen. I wake up around 9 and get ready, have breakfast and leave for college by 10 because our classes starts from 10:30, and then I come back for lunch around 1:30 to 2:30. And by the way, now that I'm a little settled here, not here but in hostel, so I'm planning to upload a proper college plus CA study vlog soon. But before that, I'm going home. Actually, I'm already at home and shooting this intro part from here itself. Even though the official holidays are from 1st of October to 3rd of October, but मैं पहले ही घर आ गई, like 28 को मैं आ गई थी, and I'm going back on 5th of October. And I bet कि 8th October के पहले ये CA plus college vlog आ जाएगा. I promise. Now coming back to schedule. After lunch we go back to LT, that is lecture theatre, for the last class, and by 4 we reach the hostel. Sometimes we go to the stadium for a while and return around 5. After that I feel so thaki hui that I don't feel like doing anything. So I just lie down, scroll on my phone till dinner.
कभी कभी पढ़ लेती हूँ जब शर्म आ जाती है.
Then after dinner, me and my friend just sit and talk till 3 a.m. Without even realizing कि अब ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Still maybe अभी starting है, that's why we are just so freaking relaxed. Otherwise second और third year वालों को देखती हूँ, then realize होता है कि आगे काफ़ी ज़्यादा responsibilities बढ़ जाएंगी. Right now my days are going like this, but through this video I am making a promise to myself that after I come back from home, I am not going to waste a single moment.
सेक एग्जाम इज वेरी नियर. हार्डली 2 महीने बचे हैं सीक एग्जाम के लिए, एंड लॉ और कौन-सी मेरे को काफ़ी है नींद से जगाने के लिए.
बट ऑनेस्टली मैं कॉन्फिडेंट बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ जैन अटेम्प्ट के लिए, बट स्टिल आई ट्राई कि मैं थोड़ी सी हो जाऊँ. आई इवन स्पोक टू वन ऑफ माई सीनियर रिगार्डिंग दिस. शी हैज़ ऑलरेडी क्लियर्ड फाउंडेशन एंड इंटरमीडिएट ग्रुप 1 एग्जाम, and she shared some tips which I'll talk about in my next video, so make sure to watch that. And yes, someone asked me that how I am managing CA preparation with college, and the truth is I am not. I'm in the same situation as you, but after the vacation I'll try to come up with a proper schedule. I'm even planning to start a challenge so that we all can prepare together. But अगर मैं announce करूँ तो I expect you guys to do it with me, वरना कोई point नहीं बनता फिर. I'm trying to do it for myself and for you guys, so we can clear that Jan attempt exam together. Yeah, this was the reason I wasn't active on YouTube. Now just enjoy the vlog. I have added clips from different days and even a few from our orientation days. This video is basically the beginning of my college plus CA life, so make sure to watch it till the end.
much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. I would.
Bye guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it and be ready for the next vlog. I bet वो बहुत ही जल्द आने वाला है. See you there.